Hello, this is Karthik and I'm alumni of Techcanvass Academy ECBA course. And first of all, coming to what motivated me to enroll in the ECBA training is that as a fresher in the IT environment, I wanted to learn a lot more about the functioning of business analysts, since I was more passionate about gaining experience as switching to business analyst role. And I thought ECBA was one of the entry level certification there where aspiring business analyst or fresher entry level people can crack into it. And that's how I got into this ECBA program. And Techcanvass Academy was more structured, and they have organized curriculum which helped me to gain a lot more about this fundamentals of business analyst. And coming to that part, Techcanvass Academy's portal was well structured with all the materials and what are all the things need to be studied and need to be viewed once again. And that was one of the highlight in the Techcanvass Academy. And regarding the training preparation for the ECBA exam, as I mentioned previously, in the portal there where we have the curriculum, and there are a lot of mock tests to take over, and we also have the class recordings which were more useful for as a student to recollect once again what are all the things that we learned through this class. And coming to the overall experience with the trainer and course structure, the overall experience was good, and I would say it was great, where as a fresher into the IT environment, I could have learned a lot with minimum of 1 year of experience in IT. It's similar to a fresher kind of person who just beginning my career in an IT and want to aspiring to become a business analyst. This program helped me a lot to learn about what are all the things that aspiring business analysts need to be learned. And the structure was very good, and the trainer was very calm and composed, and he helped us clarifying lot of doubts. So this was one of the good course. And do you recommend this training to other aspiring business analysts? Yes. And I would say the experience of the overall experience of the curriculum and the classes were good, and the coordination with the students and the students was also, and follow-up was also very good. And I would say it was and I would recommend this to a aspiring business analyst. So that's it. Thank you.